Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a really cool effect. It's what I call the painted canvas text and background effect. It can be used for text backgrounds or both. You can start a new document at 520 by 450 and you're going to create a new layer by clicking on this. Then you're going to go to the gradient tool. Then you choose gradient, and as you can already see, right where the gradient type is, just click on it, and it's usually on solid. Just click on the noise, and I'm going to use this preset that I've already got right here. You can hit the randomize, and it'll randomize the colors. You can use these sliders to take down any of the colors, just like that. You can choose between RGB, HSB, and LAB. In this RGB, I'm just going to use this right here. We're just going to put it onto this new layer, just like this. As soon as it's done, we're going to use several filter effects in this for this. First one we're going to use is the Artistic Paint Daubs filter. This is a really cool filter effect. It's going to make it look like this. Next one we're going to use is the Distort and Glass. It's going to give it a kind of looks like a beach towel in a shower stall. You know, the sliding glass doors. It's kind of what it looks like to me. Anyway, I'm going to do that effect. That would be a great color for a beach towel. Anyway, the next effect we're going to use is the texturizer. This kind of makes it look like a denim, kind of. Then we're going to go to brush strokes. You can use the angled strokes. This kind of makes it take form into looking kind of like it was painted. The last two effects are going to make it look even more like it was painted. I'm going to use the paint daubs one more time. This is where it starts looking more like it was painted. Of course, that kind of looks like watercolors. Anyway, last, not least, use the brush strokes and spatter. The spatter makes it look more like it was randomly painted by some good artist or something. Okay, if you want to do text, we're going to pick any font. I am using Vampire Games font. I'm going to basically type painted canvas, because that's what I'm calling this effect. And you want it pretty big for this effect. And on the text, you're going to rasterize that layer. Then you're going to click up here to show transform tools. If you don't really want to do this, you can skip it. I like to do it because you can resize the text. Just to make it look a little bit better as soon as you mask it out. Just like that. I'm going to hit accept, or the little check mark. Same thing. And then you're going to choose the rectangle marquee tool. After unchecking that, you're going to select over the entire text. You're going to select the move tool again and just do that, just to select only the text that you have. Then you're going to go over here to edit, cut. You can go ahead and delete that layer. We're not going to need it anymore. It's the last we're going to need of that layer. And on this layer, the background layer, I'm going to click right here on add layer mask. Then you're going to go right over here to edit in quick mask mode, basically editing mask. Then you're going to paste your text right there. You can choose anywhere you want the text to be cut out of. As for me, I think I'm going to choose right there. Then right on there, you're going to click on apply layer, apply the mask. Then click on select, inverse, and then hit the delete key on the keyboard. Basically cutting out what you have there. Then you're going to select, deselect, go back over here, edit in standard mode, click back on that, and as you can see, the whole canvas is selected, so you're going to go to select and deselect one more time. You can do this again with another color to create the background, which I will show you an example of how to do. You can do that, or you can just use the background right here. You can hide that, go back to this. I'm going to show you this LEB, which is good for other colors. And on this, you're going to use the same filter effects as you did for the fonts. By filter, autistic, paint daubs. Looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and just select all of these. This one looks really good. And last effect is spatter. That kind of looks like some bed sheets. Okay, now you're going to unhide this, and then you're going to go to blending options of the text layer and drop a shadow just to make it look better. And that is the painted canvas text effect. You can play around with it, do anything you want with it, even create a sign with it if you want. You can use any color you want. It does not matter which color you choose. Just find a decent color that you like in the noise, and you can use with anything. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and look out for more tutorials by me, Max Evans.